The Oukitel WP100 Titan, unveiled at CES 2025, is a rugged smartphone built for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. It features a massive 33,000 mAh battery and a built-in projector, making it a high-performance device that sets new standards in the rugged phone market. The Oukitel WP100 Titan features a massive 33,000 mAh battery that provides days of usage on a single charge. With 6W fast charging and 18W reverse charging, allowing it to double as a power bank. It also includes a 100-lumen built-in projector that transforms any flat surface into a screen with a resolution of 854 by 480 pixels and a 460:1 contrast ratio. Perfect for presentations or movie nights. Additionally, it has a 1200-lumen camping light with 1500 LEDs, ideal for outdoor adventures and nighttime activities. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage, the device delivers fast and efficient performance with smooth multitasking. Its 6.8-inch FHD display offers a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a 120Hz refresh rate for vibrant visuals and a seamless user experience. The camera system includes a 20MP main camera, a 20MP night vision lens, a 2MP macro camera, and a 32MP front camera for high-quality photos and videos. Designed with rugged dimensions of 178.3 x 84.18 by 34 mm, it is built to withstand tough environments while maintaining ergonomic comfort. The phone also includes a powerful 130 decibel speaker for clear audio and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner for secure unlocking. It runs on Android 14 with 5G connectivity, ensuring fast data speeds and the latest software features. Priced at $899, an early bird offer of $599 is available for those who reserve with a $5 deposit, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a rugged, high-performance smartphone. The Oukitel WP100 Titan offers powerful features like a massive battery, built-in projector, and advanced camera system, perfect for rugged use. But is it the right choice for you? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.